Hi, everyone. Last week, we started writing our ABC books. We all picked an animal and we found out at least one thing about that animal that we could share with our friends. Now, today I want to show you what else we can add to our ABC books to make them even more scientific and even better. Today, I want to teach you the ABCDs of science drawing. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you about the animal that I picked. I had the letter V, so I picked the vicuña. The vicuña looks like this. It's so cute. And it's related to llamas and camels. They live in South America. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to draw our animals using this method that I'm going to teach you right now. I'm going to teach you the ABCDs of science drawing. Now, what are the ABCDs of science drawing? I'm going to tell you. A. A stands for accurate. Accurate means that you draw the animal exactly how it looks in real life. You don't make up colors for it, and you don't add anything that the animal doesn't actually have in real life. Accurate means you draw it exactly like it looks in real life. Remember, this is a science drawing. We're trying to teach someone about our animal, so we want it to be accurate. B. B stands for big. When you draw your animal, I don't want to see a teeny tiny drawing. I want your drawing to be big. It should take up your entire piece of paper. So if I'm using a piece of paper that's this size, my drawing should take up the whole space, not just a tiny bit in the center, the whole space so that people can actually see. The letter C stands for colorful. Now, even though our picture should be accurate, they also have to have colors in our picture. So, for example, my animal, the vicuña, is like a tan color. So I'm going to use my crayons or markers or whatever to color in my vicuña and make it look like a real vicuña. So it's going to be tan, but I'm actually going to color it in all of the way to make it colorful. Now, letter D. D stands for detailed. When you make a science drawing, you put details in it. So for my vicuña, I need to add all of its fur, all of its different color fur, its eyes, everything that I can see, I need to add to my picture. It needs to have detail. So let's go over what we learned. The ABCDs of science drawing. A, accurate. It looks exactly like it does in real life. B, big. It takes up the whole piece of paper. C, colorful. You use your crayons, your markers, your color pencils, whatever, to make it look beautiful and colored in. And D, detailed. I add all of the details that I can, even some labels if I can, to make my drawing even better. Now, I'm going to start drawing my vicuña using my ABCDs of science drawing. So first, I'm going to look at my picture of a vicuña so I can be accurate, okay? So vicuña has a head. Remember, I'm making it big, so I'm keeping that in my brain that I need to take up the whole piece of paper. So here's my vicuña's head. It has big ears. Remember, I want to make it look exactly like it does or as close as I can to what it looks like in real life. It has big ears like that, and it has a really long neck. So I'm going to draw my long neck. Now I'm going to draw its eyes. It has big eyes. I'm looking very carefully at my picture. And it has really long eyelashes. So I'm going to draw its eyelashes too. And it has kind of a V-shaped nose. So I'm going to do a V shape. It has nostrils, and it has a little line that goes down there, and a mouth that kind of looks like a number 3. Okay, now I'm gonna draw part of its body. I'm taking up the whole piece of paper. Its body is like nice and fat, kind of like a llama. Okay, and now it has fur. I'm gonna draw some of its fur. Now, so far, I've done accurate. I looked at a picture of a vicuña and I copied it as best as I could onto my paper. Big, I made it big. I took up the whole sheet of paper, and now I'm going to color it in. I'm going to use color pencils to color it in and make it look beautiful and detailed. I added its fur, and now I'm going to add some labels. So here are its ears, nose, mouth, long neck. I'm going to say long neck. And short body. It has a short body. So I'm going to put short body. Of course, it has eyes. And one thing I learned about the vicuña is that it has long eyelashes. Long eyelashes to keep out dirt, because they live in a place where there's lots of dirt. So they need their eyelashes to protect their eyes. So there you go, the ABCDs of science drawing. So today, I want you to draw the animal that you picked last week for your alphabet book. Draw it using the ABCDs of science drawing. Okay, good luck, have fun.